Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and today we take another look at the charts. Yesterday I had a little party and that's why I skipped the video. So where we are right now? Well, in a very bullish place. The boomer stocks are about to pop up, the dollar is about to nuke, and that's all we want to see. Gold looking very good as well. Gold, S&P and the Nasdaq top 100 are very good. Dixie looks bad. That's about it. We're on a 5-minute time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Let's go to the daily. We're still under this big trend line over here. On the daily, we see we are making lower lows, lower than this one over here. And right now, I would say the only support they have left is this one. And yeah, I think they will. We had a high over here, higher than these ones over here, and we had a lower high over here, which is quite bearish. So I expect them to go over here. If they bounce from here, would be really weird, but possible of course. And then they will go for these ones, these lows. Remember guys, over here at this spot we had our Omega bull market for Bitcoin. So that's where we want to go again. The S&P 500 just opened, the S&P 500 futures, and they gapped up and went high. So that is really good if you zoom out. Let's go to the 4-hour. You can see this. They're attacking the high over here, about to make a higher high. After that, it's up to the all-time high. Looking very good, looking extremely good over here. We almost had equal lows over here, but right now we're about to make a higher high. Very good. I mean, it is very good, but also there is inflation, of course. I read something this week that about 20% of all the dollars in the world are printed this year. So yeah, that is a lot of printing going on. So I mean, price go up, but it is also a little bit of inflation. I mean, Bitcoin, perfect. They did a retest of this level. They failed to make it complete. It got front run a little, and they shook out all the late longers who had to buy back in. Looking very good. We had some premium here over as well, and that is what I've been talking about like last couple weeks. We saw negative funding, we saw discounts, and this wick down deleted all the premium, deleted all the funding, and well, I had the party yesterday. Luckily, I was able to text a friend, buy now, and he did. When I got home, it was a bit late, but but I managed to buy sub 15k, and yeah, I woke up very happy. And a bit ago, I just longed again. I was in a long, and well, we need to zoom in a little bit for that one. But I managed to buy under 15,300, around 15,290. I was able to buy back in again, and it's looking very good. It's looking very good. If we draw some lines, I posted this one on my Twitter account as well. We had a retest of this line, and it was a line found by Bullish Whiskers on Twitter. I retweeted it as well, and we made something like this. It's looking very good. A little bit of a fake out. You can draw it in multiple ways, but it's looking very good at the moment. Where do I see targets? I mean, horizontally, we want to catch this one, of course. After that, this one. After that one, 16k the highs. And we want to go there while everybody shorts. We had a retest of this one already, very good. And now it's time to make the higher high. We made a higher low over here. Now it's time to make a higher high. Also, the S&P futures are big chatting. Let's zoom in a little bit on how they're doing. Yeah, we can see clearly how they gapped up over here. looking to be a really good week for Bitcoin. I mean, my tip for now in a bull market is, if there is a dip, a big dip, like a 1K candle we got over here, you buy. You buy with a 10x at least leverage, and you scoop the bottom with all you can. Because they will keep coming. After a pump, there will be people late longing it, and you just want to buy then. Right now, we just had quite a good bounce. Not sure if now is the right moment to buy back in again. I mean, we could also go for a retest somewhere over here. We had this breakout. I love my trend lines. You guys should know that by now. I made my lines a little bit less thick. Let me know if you guys like it. I think we go for a retest of this one over here and bounce back up. Let me know if you like my thinner lines I'm drawing with now. Because it was a suggestion from a friend. I'm not sure the viewers are liking it. I like the big lines, the thick lines. So let me know. Ethereum, I posted this trade earlier. They did a retest as well. Looking very good in the daily. They completely engulfed the daily today again. Also, the weekly is about to close. Let's take a look first at the Bitcoin daily, and it looks mighty awesome. We want to engulf it again, looking very bullish. Let's take a look at the weekly, and it's a monster candle, guys. I mean, if this doesn't make you bullish, I don't know what will. Because this is our only resistance left, I think. After that, it's 18, 19k. But for now, we are so freaking bullish. We had the retest already on the daily. Let's take a look. We had a really good retest already on this one over here, and it got front ran, and we almost engulfed it already again. Like I said, premiums and discounts is something you want to take in mind, because if the premiums and discounts are high, you can be quite sure retests will happen or shakeouts will happen. They want to take out your long position. So Bitmex still good, Bybit and Deribit very high, also Huobi very high. OKX is not is not a good exchange to look at right now, because they are having problems with withdrawals. So people have their money stuck in OKX. So I mean, I don't think it's a good time to look at the funding on OKX, because you don't know, maybe those people are hedging, maybe they're very long on one exchange and hedged short on OKX. So I mean, that way they hope they can stay kind of market neutral while being liquidated on OKX, so they have their money back. So I mean, there are always things to consider like that. Bond Tether USD on the Binance chart. Someone messaged me asking me about Bond, and well, they ask and I deliver. That's how we do this. I love that. If you have questions, always let me know. And Bond is looking very good. They had a really nice break of this trend line over here, did a retest, and they engulfed yesterday's candle completely. So Bond is looking very good. It is a buy right now. So yeah, I mean, Bond looking very healthy. This should be the target, $7.2. Next target would be, in my opinion, this one, $8. Next one over here, around $10. Yeah, $10 is, that is a magic number, of course, and that will be big resistance. All-time high right now is $17. But for now, a good long till 7.2 is quite safe and something you can bet on, I think. And like I said, weekly and daily looking massively good over here. Yeah, it is just party time, guys. And next target will be 16.8. That is like where we had a weekly close. And yeah, what else? It's party time. That's all I can say. Yeah, I mean, of course, people are very bullish. They think the president is elected. so that gives stability again. But I'm not so sure, because I believe some things went wrong in the election. One side of America thinks they won the election, and the other side feels robbed in the election. So yeah, we saw what Black Lives Matters could do, what the Antifa riots could do. I'm not sure what this will do. I'm not sure what this will do. So yeah, I mean, not sure what this will do with the stability and stuff. We all know, yeah. I mean, I'm not sure what will happen. So yeah, I'm cautious, very bullish, but that is something I'm not too sure about. People should not be too confident in that way. Also, if you want to trade with some leverage, like I do, I sometimes buy the dip very hard. With some leverage, when I'm dip buying, I take a 5 times, 10 times or more leverage. Use Bybit for one of these. I think Bybit is very good. Um, exchange. You can buy with some leverage. Also, if you use one of these links, you get discounts on your trading fees, and you do not want to pay fees. So make sure you use one of these sign up links. You help me and you help yourself by getting fees. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you want me to cover, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.